Hello, I decided to go live and show you guys something super cool that I think a lot of agents aren't aware of. And of course, after I'm done here, I'll let you know if you ever need help with your proper system setup. Love to help you out. You can apply to speak for 30 minutes with me and let me look at your stuff. But let's talk about Apple users. I see you guys having a big problem. And two things actually, well, actually three things. Let me show you what is super cool that you may not be aware of. Are you ready? So number one is that whenever you're looking for something and you're on the home, we call this the home screen, the screen with all the icons, and I've got lots of home screens. But anywhere on the home screen, if you don't know where an app is and you're sort of like going like this trying to find your apps, right? Like I test a gazillion apps, so I don't care where they are, because when I'm going to go look for them, all I do is I put my finger in the middle of this screen and I pull down, and then I can search for whatever, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you're looking for, which is pretty cool. But really it searches for anything that says that word. Okay, this is live, so I never know what's going to happen here. I'm going to say Terry. That's my husband. Oops, I didn't spell his name right. Terry, my friends, not I. So it's going to pop up all the different things that it could be. That first one is a contact record. Scroll down. Last time I called him was yesterday. Other Terrys in my contact. Photos that have Terry, calendar, events, apps. So it's super cool and awesome. Okay. So now I want to show you about a way to use shortcuts on your Apple devices. And you can go in and go settings and then scroll down to general and then scroll to where are we here? So not in an obvious spot. Keyboard, and they call it text replacement. And this is just something I play around with for I use this for loads of things. Like Terry, WRU. We're out shopping and I can't find him. I just type WRU and it populates the word, where are you? But the other thing, I'll show you both of these, but the other thing is I have this pretend agent here, M. Jesse, Personal Real Estate Corp, whatever. I put EJS. So that means if I'm in a text message there, I'll just text Terry, EJS, and I hit the space bar and I hit enter, he's going to wonder what I'm doing. And you can play around with the spacing so it looks a little bit better. You can use EJ as MJS for one, and then Personal Real Estate Corp for the next, or your brokerage another shortcut. So it's pretty cool. And what did I do? WRU. I use this all the time. Where are you? Okay, and it populates that. So that's super. Just think about the possibilities. This is not just in text messages. This is in an email. If I do it inside an email, it's anywhere where you're typing. So if I went in here and I did EJS space, it populates it here. If I did WRU here, it populates it here. So it's anywhere in your device, anywhere there's a text field. Pretty awesome, right? Okay, if that wasn't enough tips for you, I find that lots of agents don't know about this. Are you ready? Okay, here's another kind of cool spot. You go to settings, go scroll down to phone, or you can search for phone up at the top. I'm old school. I always go down like this. And then you scroll down to respond with text. So when somebody phones you, a little option will come up that says respond with text, and you can actually just tap on it and it'll respond with this text, whatever you put on here. They have some default ones, but you probably see, but it's pretty cool. So this is something I think all agents should be aware of and use, and hope you enjoy it. And I will put a link if you need help, what my specialty really is. My name is Darci, if you don't know me, from Agent Tech Mastery, and I help agents from top down get their systems all set up and integrated. So when you update your phone, contact record or calendar record, it updates one other spot that talks to your CRM. Everything is talking to each other. There's no multiple databases of trying to keep in touch with people. And you have to remember to update here. And oh yeah, update my spreadsheet. And oh yeah, update my contacts here, my contacts there. Nope. If you're set up properly, one time. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll talk to you later and have a fantastic day. Bye.